Hey guys, welcome back to another Gaming Sisters. I don't know what the heck this pose was, but oh, I'm so out of breath. Okay, so yes, I made this slime. It is clear slime. You guys are probably saying, "Oh no, it's not clear." Well, here you go. I used clear glue, but I just didn't let it sit. Because it's just going to get foggy anyway. So, yeah. I made this slime. I got it from Packetans. Well, I didn't get the slime. I got the slime stuff from Packetans. I got these beads from Packetans in like the craft section. Well, Packetans is a craft store. There's really no craft section. They have this like thing where you build a pot or something. I don't know. I was like looking at it, but I was like, I didn't want to say something because if it wasn't it, I didn't want to like be awkward or something. But yeah, I made some slime. I don't know why I backed up that much. Oh my god. Okay, it didn't stick. Okay. We named this kindergarten slime since of these beads. Like there's all kinds of beads in here. We named it kindergarten slime. I don't know if that's a thing, but oh, wait a minute. You know what I just noticed? These beads look like fidget spinners. They seriously do. Look. That's a wait, that's slime. Okay. Fidget spinners. Just a little. They look like really fidget spinners. Because they have the hole in the middle. Right, that just sounds wrong. But yeah, they have the hole in the middle. Everything. Okay. Wait. No, I thought that was broke. Okay. So I have to put it in this big container. It is No, it isn't. Rubbermaid. Just gonna put you up here so I can actually talk. Okay. So yeah, you might not like this angle because you can't see the slime, but I just want to talk. Yeah, you don't like that angle, do you? No, you don't. Okay. How about that one? You can still see the slime. You can still see me. Okay, so I'm just going to be heating this up and seeing what it does. I like saw some YouTubers do it, but it's supposed to turn it all soft. I'm just gonna put it on for 1 minute and see what happens. Okay, 1 long minute. I hate minutes. Okay. Look at the bottom of that. But look at this. Again, going in with the scissors. Oh my god, you guys. Gosh. Do I ever say God's name? Gosh's name. That's like really hot. Okay. Okay. So I just got done getting this off. Okay. So, ooh, that's like really hot. But it's like also super stretchy. Ready? I'm gonna take the scissors and just stretch it. And that's just a little bit, guys. Ow, that's really hot. Oh, I just noticed I only picked out one. Okay. That's really hot. If you guys don't know, I'm actually going to be going away for a weekend. I'm going to Erie! Yay! Yay! Yeah. So yeah, I'm going away to Erie and for a weekend. I'm going to Waldemere in Erie. We're gonna go to a hotel, spend there. I really hope there's no cockroaches. Like, if I go in that hotel and there's a cockroach, I'm seriously going to run out of that hotel and go to the beach. Because I can't stand cockroaches. Ugh, I can't stand spiders either. They're just so disgusting, but I like any other bug. They just disgust me. I don't like them. I do not like them at all. Oh. I know I'm always like going away. Like, it's so like I just went away last week and I'm going away again at the same place. So that is awesome. Ow, that's hot. I gave it a mohawk. Don't judge me, you know. Look at that handsome man. Yes, please. Not now though. But I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Cool. Okay, so it's like really hot. That will that's like really hot still. Okay, well that will what was I gonna say? I forgot. Yeah, it'll wrap it up for right now. Today. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over my dad's house, spend the night, and then at 10 in the morning, 10, I'm gonna leave. So I have to wake up at like 8:30 or 9 because it seriously takes me an hour to get ready. Probably gonna sleep and just stay in my pajamas. No, because then we're gonna probably just go straight to the beach, maybe. Okay, I really don't know. But yeah. And when I wake up in the morning, I am a devil. Well, not unless I wake up on myself. But if somebody wakes me up, I'm a devil. I will seriously scream and kick them. Anyway, but yeah, like I said, that will wrap it up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how to... Okay, I just buy